Hey everyone, it's Tourmaline, and today we're going to be taking a look at the December Elves box by Sophie and Toffee. This will be my second month getting this box. It's unicorn themed this month. I will include a 10% off coupon if you're interested in a link below. Obviously, it's too late for you to subscribe to the December box, but you can subscribe to future boxes. You have until the 31st to subscribe to their February box, which is their blowout box. It's supposed to have double the amount of supplies. They skipped January, that's why. And otherwise, you can look on their website for the supplies you see in this box and buy them each separately. All right, let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I feel like I'm always a downer, but I wasn't that into this box. I really liked the November one, but the December one was just kind of like meh. I really want to experiment more with resin crafting, but I think I'm at this point where I'm just going to use Sophie and Toffee's website to order my own supplies on my own terms rather than having them like handpick things for me. Because really, while kind of the little more 3D, like thicker resin is a cool concept, there wasn't much of like there wasn't much to do with this box. I think you'll see me use a lot of the glitters that came with it in other projects, and maybe since I have resin left, I'll do something with that too. But I just really wasn't that inspired by this box. Maybe it's my creativity or it's just not my thing. But yeah, I'm just at this point that I think I'm going to hand select my own resin craft things rather than continuing to get the subscription box. I am happy enough with the results of this project. No idea what I will do with this, but this is a weird looking unicorn. Can we address that? Like, that's its really skinny nose and teensy tiny horn. I mean, turned out kind of cute, but. So unicorn cookie-like polymer clay thing, and then I had to, of course, make this very tiny guy. Hope you can see him okay. So yeah, I think I'll be making a photo of some sort with him. I will include that at the end. Leave me a comment to let me know what other types of crafts you'd like to see on this channel, since I'll be going to pick out some resin things to experiment more with medium. If you would like a say in that, what kind of resin craft I do, let me know in a comment below. And that's that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.